Welcome back to Build Financially. This channel helps you grow income, build smart money habits, and move toward long-term financial freedom. Today, we're talking about how to build multiple income streams, step by step, in a realistic and sustainable way. Let's begin. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Multiple income streams create stability and flexibility. The first step is mastering your primary income. A strong foundation makes it easier to grow additional streams. Next, start with one-side income. Focus on something manageable that fits your schedule. Examples include freelancing, digital services, or online content. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Once one stream is stable, you can expand gradually. Adding income slowly helps avoid burnout. Reinvesting extra income is important. Reinvestment accelerates growth over time. Automation and systems also play a role. They help income streams run more efficiently. Multiple income streams don't happen overnight. They are built with patience, focus, and smart decisions. Over time, income diversity creates more financial security. Building multiple income streams gives you options and control. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Build Financially. We post weekly content on income growth, side hustles, and personal finance education. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. In the next episode, we'll talk about budgeting systems that actually work. Until then, keep building financially.